and replace the oil. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is jack up the car. Hyundai Elantra this model is very low, so I cannot go beneath that car and leak it up. So the best thing to do is put it on jacks, and so that I'm gonna put jack here and jack there and jack it up and go beneath it. Okay, let's see, still need more. A little more. All right. Perfect. Okay, perfect. Okie dokie. Let's go to the other side. Now, we on both sides on jacks. Make sure you put piece of brake behind the rear tires. I just put behind both tires, just in case, for more safety. As you see, keep that in mind. And now what I'm gonna open up the cap here. Right, put it over here, and we're gonna take out the dipstick. Make sure we clean it. Okay, I'm gonna clean it up here. Be careful. Apparently, Hyundai Elantra dives the dipstick break easily, so we have to be gentle with it. All right, put it aside, and now I'm gonna go beneath the car. So I always put two of the buckets to make sure one is dedicated for the fuel filter and the other one is for the main engine's oil. I put two buckets, as you see, one for the fuel filter and one for the main engine oil, for the main oil. The good thing with the Hyundai Elantras, they have holes out below the guard. So in the guards here, there are holes for anything you want to do, mainly beneath it, the basic things like changing the oil, taking out the fuel filter. You'll see those holes here. Alrighty, we're gonna see that. Okay, as you see, guys, here is where we have to replace the engine oil. And here is the fuel filter. It is hard beneath the car to show you how or where are they located, but I'll try my best. We use 17-inch wrench. Okay. It's okay. Gonna try to pull it out. We keep our finger, one of the fingers, hold tight, and then when you see there's a loose, we take it right away. There you go, as you see, easy peasy. Okay, that's step one. All right. For step two, I have this beautiful ratchet and this little tool to open up, unscrew the filter. So we're gonna go beneath here and try to unscrew it. I don't know if we can see that. There you go. Oh, that's tight. There you go. Now we can pick it up with our hands. I don't have much space. Alright. It's gonna be a mess. I need to do it really quick. Okay. Now after I cleaned up the area, dried it out the best I can, we're gonna put everything back where it was. Give you a deeper look here. Okay, this is where we put the screw back, and this is where we're gonna put the filter back. Right. Let's remove, give us some space here to use our power. Does not require lots of power on it. Just make sure there is a resistance, and that's it. Yuck. We don't want to damage it. That's one. Let me show you the filter and the oil that I use. I use Mobil 1 Extended Performance Full Synthetic and Mobil 1 filter, and this is the code product number for Hyundai Elantra 2017, and it requires 5W20, right? Okie dokie. Now we're gonna put the filter. Let's see, I need to get a better view. Alright, looks good. Alright, make sure we tighten it up really good. Okay. Try to, with dry hand, some fabric. Okay. Alright. This should be good now. Alrighty. Okay, I'm gonna put the dipstick back. And usually Hyundai Elantra's engine, you take 4.5 quarts, so we're gonna stop at this level. Usually we're gonna keep pouring it until we stop at this level. Alrighty. Make sure nothing drop inside the. Okay, after we change the oil, keep in mind we still need to keep our eyes on the mileage and keep our eyes on the dipstick and the level. And I'm gonna make another video when I get this part, so we can see how the loss of oil will look like. Hopefully we're gonna prevent it, or at least reduce it. And yeah, I'll keep you posted. 3,000 miles for the next oil change. Now after we put the new oil and replace everything here, everything should be good. Check the level. Level is awesome. It's right on the spot. So we're gonna wait for another 3,000 miles, and then we're gonna change it again. We have to be consistent, not forgetting, keeping our eyes on the oil level, because it's a crucial thing to keep the life, keep it working, keep it going. Otherwise, this thing will be dead and we'll be in trouble. So I'm gonna make another video to change this, the CVT valve, and yeah, I'll keep you posted, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch for other contents. See you later, and thank you for watching.